Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to extract a zip file in Windows. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now I'll go to this file over here. You can see this is my zip file. To extract, right click on this and you can find here many options to extract. After doing right click, you can find here extract file, extract here, extract to something. Extract here means file will be extracted over here where this zip file is. Extract to this something means this will extract this zip file by making the folder of the same name of the zip file. Now I'll click to this extract to something and you can see here the file is extracted over here. The name of the zip file and the folder where it is extracted is same. Now I'll double click and you can see here is the files which were in that zip file. So in this simple step we can extract files from zip file in Windows. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.